Okay, it is time to finally go through my PR box, and my glasses have a reflection in them that's gonna drive me crazy. I will have a giveaway going up on my Instagram. You can follow me at I'm Mallory Brooke. I will be posting it in stories, so I will have the information below. I have so many duplicates of things. I've needed to go through this for so long. As a content creator, you get sent a lot of things, brands, new brands, established brands that want you to try their products. And if you like them, they hope that you post, but you are not obligated to post. I only post the things I end up using all the time, falling in love with. First things first, I have so many of these. YSL Opium Parfum Over Red. This one is a delicious, luxurious fragrance. I'm gonna put that in giveaway. Curie Clean Deodorant, aluminum-free warm vanilla. I tried this once, did not work for me. Have not used this Christoph Robin Volume Delicate Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm gonna say this right now. I love the scent of roses. This smells like my grandmother, who was not very nice to me growing up. Instantly, I'm like, I can't use this without kind of being triggered. I know that sounds so silly, but it's true. I know I do like Christoph Robin products. Unfortunately, the scent is too much for me. Hey, I talked about this in a recent current favorites video. I have a duplicate of this. This is the Jones Road Lip Recharge Glossy Treatment. This is in the shade Sangria. This is amazing. It's not sticky. It lasts. It leaves the lips with color, and it doesn't make your lip liner or any kind of lip product underneath it slide around. And this one's brand new. It has this really nice metal applicator, and it's super cooling. You're gonna love this in the giveaway. This is incredible. I have duplicates of this. I already gave one to my mom. This is the Kristen S Signature Gloss Shine Boosting. It's a hair gloss. It makes your hair so shiny. I haven't used mine in a while, but I love a good hair gloss. It's going in the giveaway. Okay, this I already have. I don't want to open it though. It's the Jones Road. Now I'm ruining the box. For whoever wins this, I'm so sorry. The Mini Miracle Balm in Chic. Such a pretty shade. This is a blush shade, by the way. You're gonna love this. I love the Mini Miracle Balms, the blushes. Oh, giveaway. These are incredible. I have the dark brown one on now. These are I haven't even talked about these on my channel, the Urban Decay Liquid Sticks. It is like a liquid liner, but in a stick form. This one, all of these are brand new, by the way. They send PR sometimes in bags like this and not in boxes. It's like the perfect, you don't even need to correct your liner. I need you guys to try them, and I do not have time to get around to every single color. You're gonna love them. The Pixie Liquid Glow Fluid Cheek Tints. Got two pinks. I think I'm gonna add to the giveaway. I'll keep this one to try it out. Let's swatch it. That's really pretty. So it's for cheeks and lips. Pixie On The Glow blushes. I love these. I especially love the one that tints to your own pH. These are great. These are so underrated, including in the giveaway of the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencils. I'm gonna include Anywhere Caffeine. I have so many of these. Limitless Brown. If you are not familiar with this formulation, I know this is so casual, just hanging out and talking about what I have in this box. I hope you're having fun. These you can use on your eyes, face, and lips. It's safe for all areas of the face. Wherever Walnut. It is what I'm wearing as my lip liner now. You're gonna love this. It's so pretty for like a neutral, deep-ish lip liner. It's such a pretty color. It's what I have on. Oh my God, I love this shade. This one is new. This is in the shade 12. Look at this. It's such a pretty warm nude with gold shimmers in there. So pretty for spring and summer, like a bronzy lip. I'm gonna include that. Oh, I love this right here. In Beauty's Lip Glaze #1, the Candy Apple. You guys know I've talked about this for years. You'll love this, especially for summer. I don't know if you guys know about Future Society. Speaking of rose scents, this is a rose scent that I really like. I really enjoy Haunted Rose scent, and Floating Forest is amazing. Their scents are very, very unique. So this is their body cleanser. I'm going to include this in the giveaway because I want you guys to experience their scents so badly. Okay, this little mini eyeshadow palette. I'm obsessed with Jane Iredale's mascara right now. I discussed it in a recent video. This is the eyeshadows. This is brand new. This is the shade Honeysuckle, and it's a very warm, bronzy palette, easy on the go. And I don't know where my other one is, but I'm gonna include this. I feel like Jane Iredale's products are just very underrated. We need a sip of hot coffee. Well, you guys, thank you so much for going through all this PR with me, and I hope you love the giveaway. There's gonna be more to come. I have stuff downstairs in my little storage place in my apartment. We need to go through even more, but I didn't want to drag this out, and we'll just keep doing giveaways of duplicates and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me tonight. I definitely needed the support and the love. I will say this, there's one thing I didn't talk about, and it's this right here. Aura Mexico line. I am going to be doing a full review. Look at this packaging. Check this out. Like, what? This has such weight to it. How fun for summer. I don't know, it could be terrible. It could be absolutely terrible, but we're gonna do it. I will leave the rules for the giveaway in the info box below for Instagram. It's not gonna be that difficult. Love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one.
All right.